What up, y'all? It is finally time. The 26 turkey season is upon us. And man, I have been fiending for this season to come around. I'm sure, bugging the shit out of all my buddies, just talking about it nonstop, hearing the same shit over and over and over again. But despite that, I am still not packed. It's 10 p.m. right now, and I'm supposed to leave at 4 a.m. And the only thing I have in the truck is my kayak. We're all packed up now. It didn't take nearly as long as I thought it was going to. It's a little piled in there, as you can see, but we are ready to hit the road. I just gotta make sure I have all my cameras and my batteries charged and run through my checklist, and we're out of here. Top of the morning. I completely forgot to pick up the camera before I left the house this morning. I was in a bit of a hurry, but we are just down the road from our destination, and I am pumped. The sun's starting to come up. I'm gonna pull up here and hop out and just see if I can't hear anything off the roost and see if I can get a pinpoint on them. We made it. We're out here. It's a little bit windy, and we had a huge thunderstorm last night. It just got done raining about 40 minutes ago. I haven't heard anything gobble yet, but I'm not gonna let that get my hopes down. I've been on birds here pretty much every year since I was 8 years old, so we're gonna find a spot to get this kayak in the water and start paddling. I just ran up here to the hilltop. I'm waiting to hear another gobble. It sounded like there might have been 4 of them. It didn't sound very far at all. Maybe 150 yards, 200. Just got him to gobble again. Oh, 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 oh. There they are right there, baby. Let's go. They ain't but maybe 100 yards. I got a pin on them. Opening day's tomorrow. We got fish to catch today. It's looking good, boys. It's looking good. Oh my gosh, I'm just so stoked. We'll catch you on a minute. So I'm paddling down the creek right now. Just looking for turkeys, listening for birds. And I hear some hogs right up there on the top of this hill. So we got all toodles out. I'm gonna go pull the kayak up right here. See if I can sneak up there and get on one. I've been pedaling around for about an hour and a half now. Got the kayak sitting up right there. I'm about to go walking off up in this shallow stuff, see how far I can get up in here. We had 4 birds hammering off the roost this morning. Got a good pan on them, and they're on public land, so that's good. But I haven't heard any more birds so far, and we got that heavy rain last night, so there's no way for me to look for a sign or anything like that. So I'm just kind of out here hanging out, casting the fish pole around a little bit, just seeing what we can find. I just got done doing some fishing, caught a few crappie, a couple perch, but nothing much. Did a little bit of scouting as well. I found a big field that was burnt recently, and it's got a lot of green growth through it. It's looking very good. Also had 4 birds gobbling this morning off the roost up this ridge. It's a small piece of public surrounded by private, so it's a little tricky to get in there, but I'm excited for the morning. We got a big old storm coming through here in the next couple hours, and I have nothing set up at camp. So I gotta get my tent thrown up and some tarps down, and hopefully we don't get soaked and the tent don't blow away. Well, the storm's here. It's been raining for a good 30 minutes now, pretty heavy, and the tent has some leaks all the seams here along this middle line is leaking. But it's whatever. The water never hurt no one. It's hot, it's humid. I'm bored of sitting in the tent. I didn't bring rain gear. Well, the rain finally quit falling. So I'm out here at this ridge. We heard the gobblers on this morning. And I plan on spending the rest of my evening here. I'm gonna walk back up here on the top of the hill and kind of just sit down and listen all evening. Might do an owl hoot or two if I need to. But we're just gonna hang out and see what happens, and hopefully the rain doesn't wash us away. Because we got some crazy weather coming tonight, and I'm in a tent, so we might have some issues there. Our scout mission / roosting session kind of got cut short. It is absolutely pissing out. Everything is flooding. My tent's gonna be full of water, and it doesn't look like it's gonna clear up very soon. Probably won't be able to hear any birds tonight, so I'm just gonna have to send it at one of the spots I heard or seen one today and hope for the best. Well, it's opening morning. It's about 5:45 right now. Already seen 2 other trucks out here, and one was headed towards the campground I was just at, so we got a little bit of competition, but I found a decent amount of birds yesterday, despite the weather being pretty rough. But we'll see what happens. I got my dad coming up here to meet me. I'm just waiting on him right now, but I'm excited. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty, there he is right there. I'm gonna go set up right here on this bench. But not that far. It's looking good. Well, we got the 4 gobblers over here talking to us. I yelled at them twice earlier, and they responded, so it sounds like they're coming in. Well, we were on those 4 gobblers this morning, and they pitched down and worked their way up on private and just went silent on me all day. Didn't really have any action after that, but Pop showed up and he already put the smack down on one. I'm just waiting on him to walk back from camp. He's got like a 1.5 mile walk, so this might be a minute, but heck yeah, we are on the board. Alrighty, it's midday. It's 12:30 right now. Oh, and it is hot. It's pushing 85 degrees. The birds are not talking, but I just got over here to this new section of public. I'm on a big hilltop. I got a big old draw on my right that feeds down to a river bottom. And then I have the ridge top on my left, and it has a big clear-cut power line down it. So I just snuck up here. I'm gonna do a little call and see if I can't get something to fire off for me. I just moved up here on the ridge a little more. The wind's picking up a bit, so it's getting a little harder to hear. But I think I might have just heard a really faint gobble up here towards this private land once again. But I'm gonna slip up here another couple 100 yards and see what happens. Alrighty, well, mission failed. I just hiked about 5 miles through this creek system, and I did find some fresh sign from this morning. So I guess not a complete failure, but no gobblers over there right now in the middle of the day. So I'm headed back to camp, literally walking down a county road right now. Gonna make me a little sandwich, charge up some batteries, get everything packed back up, and we're gonna go back up in that ridge after those original 4 gobblers we heard yesterday morning whenever I got here. And I really want to kill one back there. I've never shot anything on that piece of public. It's a super tricky part, but we're gonna give it our best shot this evening. We're just gonna kind of go in there and basically sit under the roost tree and wait for him to come home. Alrighty, we're all set up for the evening. This is that same bench that the gobblers were roosted on last night, so I figured I'd just come sit back in here and wait it out. Hopefully they come back in here tonight and we can bring one in. Alrighty, it's 6:30 now. I'm at the pot call a little bit, see if I can't get something to fire off. I'm gonna keep it real soft and subtle. I know these birds are coming back up in this area, so I'm not gonna do anything too wild to blow through. So let's go see what happens. Still sounding pretty dead over here. Nothing firing back. But we're gonna hang tight. Wait it out till dark. Hopefully we can get something off the roost. Alright, it's 7 p.m. and I just heard the first gobble of the evening. He's way up in front of me on the private land where they worked off onto this morning, so hopefully they do the same exact thing tonight. They come back up into this ridge. I'm gonna let out a couple yelps real quick and see if we can't get them to fire off. We got one gobble. Well, it is about 7:45. I still have only heard that one gobble at about 7 p.m. I'm gonna hit the pot call a little bit. Hopefully we can get something to fire up, man. It's been rough. Alrighty, it's 8 p.m. now. I didn't have any luck, but I've heard 6:30s fly up to roost. I mean, I am in their roost. There goes another one. That's 7. We're covered up. I've got like, I don't know, 7 or 8 different gobblers roosted. They're all within 100 yards of each other. I mean, they literally had to have been within 50 of me tonight. They just didn't. Damn, babe. I think they're in there. I listened to 8 different birds fly up. I mean, they couldn't have been more than 100 yards from me. I had to be extremely, extremely cautious on my walk out. I mean, you guys hear them. There's a lot of gobblers. Wow. This is absolutely nuts. I bet you I've heard every bit of 500 gobbles. Yeah, that is insane. I don't know how many birds are back in there, but I mean, there's a lot. Oh boy, was this evening awesome. I heard, no lie, probably 500 something gobbles in a 30-minute window. Listened to 7 to 10 birds fly up into the roost, and I was just right up in their bedroom. I did okay sneaking out. I was a little louder than I should have been. It's something I need to fix. Slow down a little bit more, take my time a bit. But I got a bunch of gobblers back up in there roosted, and I got a game plan for the morning. These birds like to fly down and head southwest up this ridge system, up onto the hilltop on private land. And there's not but maybe 150 to 200 yards from where they're roosted to this private. So I'm gonna try to swoop around them and kind of go up the fence line there and get in between their roost and the private property and just sit there, be completely quiet, maybe let out some soft yelps, a cluck or something, and just see if I can't cut them off on their way through to that private. We're out here for the morning hunt. We successfully circled around these birds. I'm on the top side of this ridge, and they are absolutely hammering just on the back side of here. So I'm just gonna be real soft and subtle on the call, and just be watching. Something will come up in here eventually. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. It freaking worked. It worked. There was like 13 hens that just come up here. And then 6 big strutters right behind them. I think I got me a long beard. Let's go get this sucker. Let's go. Folded them at 30. Straight folded them at 30, baby. Oh my gosh. There he is, baby. Let's go. We got it done, boys. Oh, big old hole right there. Just about died. But we got us a big old gobbler. He's got some massive hooks on him. Probably an 8+ inch beard. Probably my biggest bird to date. And we did it on freaking public land, baby. I mean, I couldn't be any happier. I found these birds 2 days ago. Back up in here, and I've been trying to figure out how to get on one ever since. They've just been giving me the slip and working off on a private. But I gave my dad a call last night. We came up with a little game plan of how I could get around them, and I stuck to that plan, and boy did it work. Boy did it work. I mean, absolute stud of a palm right here, baby. Alrighty, I got all my pictures done, and I'm working on cleaning this bird up now. I got my beard and the fan off. I'm working on breasting him out right now. Then we got to pick everything up to go home, or not go home. We're headed north, going to meet Gerald. We're gonna go chase some turkeys up there. I think I should be there around 1 or 2 p.m. tonight. All right, well, that's that. That was my 26 turkey season. Got it done on day 2. Pops killed one the first morning. Now we're on the road to Kansas, so I'll have a video on that. And then next weekend, we're right back after him with a couple of my buddies, try to get them on their first birds. Man, was it a good trip. I mean, it couldn't have gone any better. Hopefully this luck continues, and we'll smack one here in a couple hours or maybe in the morning. I just got off the phone with Gerald, and he said to hurry my butt up and get up there. He said we'll go for 2 birds in 2 states in 1 day. That'd be freaking pretty sick. I've never hunted birds out of Oklahoma, so I am freaking stoked. Got the adrenaline still from my Oklahoma bird, hitting the road. We'll be in Kansas in no time, chasing some more birds. Let's get it. Alrighty, we're pulling up to the lodge now. Oh, I just drove past it. Oops. But Gerald said there's a lot of birds around, so we're gonna head out this evening and see if we can't catch some.
quickly you had another shell.
Yeah, just like that. How long did that take, girl?
I don't know.
Couple seconds? Maybe 10 minutes? Yeah.
If that.
Well, that's gonna wrap it up for me. We're heading on home. Man, was that a freaking awesome trip. We caught a couple fish. We're all over birds every day. Killed my biggest turkey ever. Got it done in Oklahoma Public. Shot straight up to Kansas and got it done within an hour. I mean, it just doesn't happen like that all the time. Definitely not taking that for granted. I'll remember this day forever, or this trip forever. And I'm done for this year. I mean, I'm not done hunting, but I'm done shooting. I'm gonna take a couple buddies out, maybe my sisters or something to get back out there and chase some more birds. But until then, we'll catch you on the next one.